What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And in today's video we are going to take a look at the reasons why you should consider buying the Moto H20 Fusion in the upcoming Flipkart Big Billion Days sale. In the sale, the phone will be available for less than 20,000 rupees, and if you are having a bank discount, card discount of Axis Bank or even the ICICI, then you will be getting the price of this Moto H20 Fusion to be get lower than your expectations. Well, so before starting, if you are new here, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So now that I've done that, let's get started. Let's take a look at the reasons why you should consider buying the Moto H20 Fusion. First of all is the cameras, and it comes with a 108 megapixel triple camera setup in which takes a good photography in the decent lighting, but the night photos of this phone can also be improved via software updates. The secondary camera is an 8 megapixel of an ultra wide camera which also acts as a macro camera too. But the third sensor, which is the 2 megapixel of depth sensor, is of no use. Whereas the secondary thing why you should also consider buying this phone is the good quality of a 10-bit 90Hz of high refresh rate display, and with that the display is a decent one, but here also the brightness for the indoor outdoors is a bit low when compared to the other smartphones in this price bracket too. Now one thing which Moto has but no other smartphone in this price range has is that the clean UI and the zero bloatware for the phone, which is a very underrated thing for Moto. And you don't get any kind of software interruptions or with the ads in the phone itself. And not only that, the processor of this phone is also a decent one at the MediaTek Dimensity 800. It's a 5G processor, so you also get a 13 5G bands on this smartphone, and you can be assured that this 5G phone is just not for the sake of the name. Battery capacity of the Moto H20 Fusion is also at a decent one at 5000 mAh battery, and you also get a fast charge support of up to 30 watts. The phone is being priced for 8 plus 128 for 23,000 rupees right now in India, but you also get this phone for under 20,000 in the Flipkart Big Billion Days sale, which is starting very soon. Now, if we talk about the build quality of this phone, then the build quality of this phone is a very strong one, and you also get a fingerprint sensor on your power button for quickie unlocks. Now, what things concern about the Moto H20 Fusion is that about the software updates. The Motorola has been a pretty on the backside of the team when it comes to software updates, and we are just near to the Android 12, and right now we don't have any announcement from the Moto about this software update on this Moto H20 Fusion. The phone also does not come with any kind of a stereo speaker support, so there is only a one speaker which is a bottom firing alongside the headphone jack and a Type-C charging port. The inbuilt fingerprint scanner should have been a much better option in this smartphone, but as we know that it's an LCD panel, so you won't be getting a fingerprint scanner inside in the in-display fingerprint scanner. The 2 megapixel of a depth sensor is also a useless one, but if you are someone who is looking for gaming intensive tasks, then this phone is not for you. Then you should consider buying the Poco X3 Pro, which is the better choice, as it comes with the Snapdragon 860, and if 5G and camera is also not your priority. So if you like this video, then do not forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.